Welcome to Pete Invests. Today we will cover 8 vital things you must do with your money in your 20s. Your 20s are the perfect time to build a solid foundation that will secure your financial future for many decades. The very first thing you need to do right now is start tracking every single dollar you earn and spend. Creating a strict budget is not about restricting your fun, but about gaining absolute control over your hard-earned wealth. You must allocate your income into specific categories like housing, food, transportation, savings, and a little bit of leisure money. Using the popular 50-30-20 rule can be an excellent starting point for organizing your monthly expenses and savings. That means 50% for needs, 30% for your personal wants, and exactly 20% for saving and investing. Stick to this exact spending plan every single month, and you will never wonder where all your cash went again. Regularly review your budget to spot bad spending habits early and adjust your plans before they become serious financial problems. Once your budget is fully automated and working smoothly, you are completely ready to move to the next critical step. The second crucial step is building a reliable emergency fund to protect you against very expensive and sudden unexpected emergencies. You should aim to save up enough cash to easily cover 3 to 6 months of your basic living expenses. This money must sit in a high-yield savings account where it remains completely safe and accessible at all times. Never invest your emergency fund into the stock market because you cannot risk losing it during an unexpected economic downturn. If your car suddenly breaks down or you lose your job, this cash buffer will save you from taking loans. Start small if you have to, setting aside just $100 every paycheck until you hit your final target. Having this financial safety net gives you incredible peace of mind and significantly reduces your daily stress about money matters. Remember that this specific account is only for true emergencies, not for buying new clothes or funding a spontaneous vacation. Only touch these funds when you have absolutely no other choice and immediately work to replenish them once things stabilize. With a fully funded emergency account backing you up, you can finally face the future with total confidence and security. The third absolute necessity in your 20s is eliminating every single piece of toxic high-interest debt you currently carry. Credit card balances with 20% interest rates will rapidly destroy your wealth and keep you completely trapped in poverty. You must make paying off these expensive consumer loans your highest possible priority before you begin making any serious investments. Consider using the debt avalanche method, where you aggressively attack the debt with the highest interest rate first for efficiency. Alternatively, the debt snowball method helps build fast momentum by clearing out your smallest balances first for quick psychological wins. Stop using your credit cards immediately while you are in the active process of paying down your existing outstanding balances. Living entirely on cash or a debit card will force you to stop accumulating new debt and spending money blindly. Any extra cash from bonuses or side jobs should be instantly thrown directly at your debt to accelerate your freedom. Becoming completely debt-free in your 20s gives you a massive advantage and frees up your income for future investments. Once you finally eliminate these terrible liabilities, you will experience an incredible sense of relief and true personal financial freedom. Our fourth major rule is to start investing for your retirement as early as humanly possible, starting right now, today. The magic of compound interest means that dollars invested in your 20s are worth substantially more than those invested later. If your employer offers a retirement match program, you must contribute enough to get that free money without any hesitation. Beyond an employer match, opening an individual retirement account is a fantastic way to secure tax-free future retirement income. You do not need to be rich to begin. Starting with just $50 a month makes a huge difference. Invest primarily in low-cost, broad market index funds to automatically diversify your portfolio and guarantee steady long-term growth. Ignore the daily fluctuations of the stock market and focus entirely on holding your investments steady for multiple upcoming decades. Time in the market will always be trying to time the market, so start buying your shares today and hold. Automate your investments so that the money leaves your checking account before you even have a chance to spend it. Building serious wealth takes a lot of patience, but beginning early guarantees you will eventually reach millionaire status upon retiring. The fifth critical habit to develop is intentionally living well below your means, no matter how much your income grows. Lifestyle inflation is a dangerous trap where your spending increases identically to match every single raise or bonus you receive. You must fight the urge to buy flashy cars or rent luxury apartments just to impress people you hardly know. True wealth is what you do not see, because it is the money saved and invested, not expensive designer clothing. Focus on buying reliable used vehicles and living with roommates to drastically lower your monthly housing and transportation living costs. Cook your own meals at home more frequently instead of constantly ordering expensive delivery or dining out at fancy restaurants. When your salary inevitably increases, direct the majority of that new money straight into your investment accounts and savings funds. By keeping your basic expenses incredibly low, you maximize the gap between your income and your spending for faster investing. Learning to be content with a modest lifestyle will protect you from financial disaster and accelerate your journey toward independence. Frugality in your 20s is a small temporary sacrifice that ultimately buys you total freedom and endless choices later on. The sixth important step is actively investing time to improve your personal financial literacy by reading books and watching videos. No one cares more about your money than you do, so you must learn how the entire economic system operates. Read classic finance books like The Intelligent Investor to help you fundamentally change your long-term perspective on building wealth. Listen to finance podcasts during your daily commute to continuously absorb valuable new strategies for managing your personal investment portfolios. Understanding basic concepts like taxes, inflation, and interest rates will prevent you from making extremely costly mistakes with your money. Be highly skeptical of anyone promising guaranteed quick riches or attempting to sell you highly complex, confusing financial investment products. The best investment you can possibly make at this age is continually upgrading your own knowledge, skills, and earning potential. Stay constantly curious and never stop learning about money, business, and economics, because this knowledge literally pays massive financial dividends. Surround yourself with financially responsible friends who share your long-term goals and encourage you to make smart monetary decisions. As you learn more, your confidence in handling complex financial situations will dramatically increase, making wealth building feel entirely effortless. The seventh rule is finding creative ways to dramatically increase your income, because you can only cut expenses so much. Starting a profitable side hustle in your free time is an excellent way to generate extra cash for your investments. Use your unique talents and skills to freelance, tutor, or create digital products that you can easily sell online today. Even making an extra $500 a month can completely transform your financial trajectory if you invest it wisely. Multiple streams of income provide an incredible layer of financial security if your primary job suddenly ends without any warning. Always negotiate your starting salary when accepting a new job and consistently ask for well-deserved raises during annual reviews. Consider pursuing additional certifications or valuable training that will make you significantly more attractive to higher-paying employers and recruiters. Do not be afraid to switch jobs every few years, as this is often the fastest way to boost income. Treat your career like a business, continuously searching for new opportunities to maximize your value and increase your overall revenue. Every single extra dollar you earn now acts as a powerful soldier working tirelessly to build your future financial empire. The eighth and final step is writing down very clear, measurable, and realistic financial goals for your next 10 years. Having a defined target like saving $100,000 by age 30 gives you intense motivation and daily focus. Break down your massive long-term goals into small, manageable monthly milestones that you can easily track and regularly achieve. Celebrate your small victories along the way, like paying off a single credit card or maxing out retirement investment accounts. Review your progress every single year and adjust your master plan as your life circumstances and career paths inevitably change. Building true wealth is not a quick sprint. It is a grueling marathon that requires extreme discipline and relentless consistency. You have the incredible advantage of youth on your side, so use this precious time to build something truly spectacular. Implement these 8 fundamental strategies today, and you will set yourself up for a lifetime of abundance and financial peace. Thank you so much for watching Pete Invests, and please remember to always invest in your own bright financial future. Hit that subscribe button right now for more expert financial advice, and we will see you in the next video.